Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening settings and going straight to sounds and haptics. Increase the ringer and alert slider to the highest comfortable level. This is the actual alarm volume, not the media volume. Once done, disable change with buttons so later button presses won't lower the alarm level accidentally. Make sure the side silent switch is off. These steps set the foundation. You're changing the system control that clock uses, which is why they matter more than app settings. Next, open clock and edit the alarm to pick a loud ringtone or an exported audio file with strong dynamics. You want a sound with clear transients so it cuts through sleep. Once done, test the alarm volume with a quick preview. Make sure Bluetooth speakers or earbuds are disconnected because alarms route to the last audio output. Also confirm volume again in settings, since previews use the same ringer and alerts level. These checks ensure the sound and out. Finish by confirming focus or do not disturb won't silence the clock. Either disable bedtime focus or allow clock notifications through its focus settings. Set a test alarm within a few minutes and observe how loud it is to verify the previous changes. If the alarm remains quiet, check the silent switch, toggle Bluetooth off, and restart the iPhone. Make sure iOS is up to date. If problems persist, use a different ringtone or re-import a louder audio file as a workaround.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.